Hi there, and welcome to ReinardSynth episode 21. Today on my bench...
May I approach the bitch?
What did you say?
I said, may I approach the bench?
I said, today on the bench a Kurzweil PC361. The PC361 was introduced in 2009 and can be regarded as a successor to the K2600 from 1999. Not completely though. The PC361 does not support loading samples and does not have a built-in SCSI interface for connecting hard drives. Okay. It did, however, come with an appurgator and a Rift thingamabob ding-a-ling-a-ding-dong feature dingsbooms, and it crams into a well-built package all the vast VA1 and KDFX engines and samples Kurzweil is known for. Well built. To be honest, I was actually a bit underwhelmed by the internal build quality. Okay, the casing is nice and rock solid, but I did not really like what I saw on the inside. I bought this one broken and the seller said it did not start up at all. And yes, that's indeed the case. Oh, I like these kind of challenges.
Ooh, that's a bingo!
So join me on a journey where we will see oxidized connectors, dry solder joints, electric arcs, Cheapo capacitors and burned resistors. So let's go! Okay, cold solder joint, that's what's happening here. So we have a cold solder joint here, and when I touched the connector pin with my multimeter probe, it made some contact and started arcing. even caused some plastic to melt and turn black. This plastic even went through the crack and exited on the other side of the PCB. Well, how cool is that, eh? Okay, now resolder these pins and then see how things go. After some testing, I found that the indicator LEDs behind the buttons are not working anymore. They should light up when you press them.